Ayan yung rainbow, guys.
Saguli jog. Makakay ko under pressure. Ali may video jog magkay ko eh.
Hello guys. What's up everyone? Nandito tayo muli sa
The jogging spot.
Hindi tayo makatambay doon kasi may mga
Bibilad ng palay.
Bibilad ng palay, guys. Support local. Hindi natin sila pwedeng istorbohin.
Ay, may video pala.
So yun guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa The Jogging Spot at tambay-tambay muna tayo dito.
So guys, inaano namin na ipapractice niya ako sa interview kasi habang naghihintay ng graduation, mag-a-apply ako ng trabaho. Nag-step down na siya, ako naman yung mag-step up. Sub naman, sub rep. Sub.
Alam mo na ba ang gagawin mo niyan?
Hindi pa, wala pa tayong experience sa ganyan. Kaya sabi ko kay Kuya Mo Gerald na ipa-practice niya tayo sa interview. So we need to practice our skills, English especially.
Siyempre, first question natin is,
Tell me about yourself.
ano pa ba? Could you tell me about yourself?
Sorry dad, I'm gay. Hindi.
Sorry dad, I'm gay.
Good afternoon ma'am, good afternoon sir. I'm kay Patrick Tadeo, 25 years old, from Balantacan, Lubao, Pampanga. My hobbies are drawing, watching TV, movies, or series, and reading books especially. Sometimes I watch the news because as my previous job in my previous school, I am an editorial cartoonist, so we need to
Sana all.
watch news. That's all, sir. Is that a good answer?
Tingin nyo guys, tingin nyo good answer ba yun? Siyempre, follow-up question tayo niyan. Ang iyong follow-up question ay, ano bang magandang follow-up question? Instead of pursuing journalism, why did you apply for this job?
As you know, being a journalist and working in a call center have a thing in common. We tend to communicate to other people, especially in journalists. We communicate. We communicate.
Bawal mag-Tagalog.
Ay, sorry. Dadajog.
Guard, palabasin nyo na to, guard.
Ano,
Hindi
sir?
pwede nung, ano yung yun? Bawal po yun. Guard, next. Ano to pala guys? Walang ano to ha, on the spot to. Di ko siya tinuruan.
On the spot.
So,
Walang kopya, walang search.
Mukha siyang tanga, mukha talaga siyang tanga dyan. So, tell me about your strength.
My strengths are, I think, I tend to make good decisions, and especially when I am working under pressure.
So, how do you work under pressure?
I work under pressure to hindi. Dadajog.